All right, guys. So we're over here inside the coin app. It's geo mining. So this is we mine coin, and this coin could get redeemed for XYO, which is a cryptocurrency. Now you can redeem the coin. You could redeem it for XYO. You could redeem it for Bitcoin. You could redeem it for Ether, Apple AirPods, American Liberty Gold Coin, Apple iPad, Nintendo Switch. You guys pretty much Ring doorbell, very popular item out here. Um, yeah. So see, these are some of the things you could redeem your coins for. You could get the Sentinel, which gives you more coins when you activate it. T-shirts, they got merch. So yeah, so guys, pretty much you turn on your phone. As you move, you mine coin. So you can use this app to work out. You can use this to go do errands. You could do this and do Uber. As long as you're making movements, like, this is good for you. If you don't make so much movement, then there's other ways to make money with this. Like, you can build a phone farm and let them be stationary. You could have the ones at home being stationary, and then you have one personal phone that you always move around with. And then when you come home at the end of the day, you bring those coins back, and then then you geo drop it to one of your bigger accounts. And then whenever you feel like cashing out, you can redeem them coins, but you're building a coin farm. So yeah, so you guys can redeem for XYO, Bitcoin, Ether, etc., games, prizes, you name it. This is what we're doing. So I utilize this app, and I'm building my portfolios. I could either use it to buy little stuff, but for right now, we're just stacking the coins. And then whenever I feel like transferring, I do weekly transfers, and I dropping coins to myself. So this is one free way to mine crypto without no added cost. All you really need is your phone, and you need internet service on your phone, because you need to have data to use this app. If you don't have data, then you're not gonna be able to do this. But like and subscribe. Stay tuned if you like these kind of videos. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any further questions, drop them down below. Peace.